Welcome to our guide on how to hide your end-to-end encryption backup on WhatsApp. If you prefer to keep your backups discreet, follow these steps to hide the encrypted backup feature on your device. To start, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once the app is open, locate and tap on the three-dot menu button positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Next, navigate to the Settings option within the menu. In the Settings menu, tap on Chats, and then select Chat Backup from the list of options. Within the Chat Backup settings, look for the option labeled End-to-end Encrypted Backup. To hide the encrypted backup, tap on the option, and then select Turn Off. To confirm this action, you will be required to enter your password or the 64-digit encryption key associated with the backup. Enter the necessary information to hide the end-to-end encryption backup. By following these steps, you can effectively hide your end-to-end encryption backup on WhatsApp, ensuring added privacy and security. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative tutorials and guides.